Hi, I'm Nels Leafblad. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine. I'm a Minnesota native, so I'm thrilled to be joining Twin Cities Orthopedics. I grew up in Arden Hills, Minnesota and went to Mounds View High School. I went to Bethel University for undergrad and then medical school at the University of Minnesota, and then completed my orthopedic residency at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, before doing a one-year fellowship in sports medicine in Salt Lake City at the University of Utah. Fun facts about me: I am married to my beautiful wife Jessie, and we have two beautiful daughters, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. We love getting outside, hiking. I love to downhill ski. We got a good dose of that in Salt Lake City. I also love fishing, hunting, and one of the greatest things about being in the Twin Cities is getting to go to Twins games, Vikings games. We just love the arts, music, and sports scene in the Twin Cities. Music has always been a big part of my life. I had a band in college, and then before medical school, my older siblings convinced me to audition for American Idol. So I did that. Got to sing for J-Lo, Steven Tyler, Randy Jackson, and got a golden ticket out to Hollywood. It was a great experience, but ultimately I knew medicine was my greatest passion. I'm excited to be joining TCO because of the people, from our clinic support staff, our nurses, our advanced practitioners, and my fellow surgeons. It is a fantastic group, and we are going to deliver excellent care for our patients and the community.